Let's do a room tour of the River Suite at Hotel Xcaret Arte. We have a room with a king-size bed. You can do a king-size bed or 2 queens. Now at this resort, they do not guarantee bedding. So you could make a request, but it is not guaranteed. So just keep that in mind if the bedding is very important to you. Little desk over here. I love the little chair. You can like sit down and get your shoes on. There's a mini fridge down here and some soda, water, and beer, and some juice. This is all going to be restocked daily. Over here you have some yummy, yummy snacks. Lots of snacks and candies. This will also be restocked daily. So if you want something specific, just leave a little note. Little Nespresso coffee machine. Dining table for the room service, which is 24 hours a day. The sofa does come out to a bed. Gorgeous view over here. Nice hammock. So lots of seating area. So you got this over here. You have the relaxing hammock and then a chair. I probably do wish that there was another chair, but that's not a deal breaker for me at all. And river view. And then we'll check out the bathroom area. And as you can see, it's a little bit open concept. So, you know, this part of the bathroom is open to the room. So one big sink to sort of make it a double vanity. And then the drawers, you're going to have your hair dryer and then all sorts of goodies over here. You basically could show up with nothing. So a comb, toothbrush, another toothbrush, toothpaste, the vanity kit, which usually has like Q-tips in it, shower cap, a loofah, razor, a shaving kit, or the shaving gel, very big soaking jacuzzi tub, and then you're going to have bubbles and bath salts. And then going into the bathroom, we'll turn these lights on. So you have a sliding barn door here. So that's how you can close this part to make it totally private. So you have a separate toilet area. So this has a door on it. And then what I found interesting is if you hit this button here, the toilet is open to the room. So you hit that and it goes frosted. I'm not sure why you'd want to have your toilet area open like that, but whatever. And then going into the shower, there is a step up, just be mindful of that. Very good size shower. So you have your wand over here, and then you also have a rain shower head. And then you're gonna have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And that's all gonna be restocked for you. Got some soaps. I love the tile work in here. It's very, very nice. Kind of like a half door. I'm only like a little over 5 feet, and I can see over it. So that's kind of an interesting feature. So again, a step down, and then into the closet. Gonna have your ironing board and your iron, your luggage rack, a scale, which should not be concerned about on vacation, little beach bag, which you can take home with you, and then if you want to do laundry and things, you can put them in there, and that could be sent off to laundry. Going to have robes, and then let's go on to the other side where you're going to find your safe. There we go. So you have some extra pillow and blanket up there. Lots of storage space. I love that there's some good sized drawers, and there's also shelves, and you got just so much extra stuff here. Like, I just feel like they've given you everything. You can basically just walk in here with just your clothes, and you have everything that you need. So I think that this is a gorgeous, gorgeous room. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. If you are interested in booking this resort, I would love to help you. You can reach out to me on my website at memoriesandmojitos.com to submit a quote request. And right next door, we have the same room with double beds. So at the end of this, I'm just gonna post a really quick video of what that looks. It's basically the same, just the bedding is different. Okay, so the room with double beds is right next door. It is essentially the same, just going to have 2 beds. Everything else basically looks the same. And what we found out was the TV has Netflix and YouTube and all sorts of good stuff on there. And their view is basically the same right next door. All right, so that's gonna do it. Let me know if you have any questions.